أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. به وببنيه وبدعيه أستعين في جميع الأمور. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم ورحمة الله كما صليت وسلمت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Blessed Sunday greetings from President of SAMS TQLMA Club, engaged in building SAMS Wheel of Life, Palm School, Al Saada Towers in global university campuses, farms, and gold mines. And we will be building the first one in our university campus in Singapore, and we will also be building SAM's AMU, Tesla, Bitcoin, Gigafactory campus town in Johor Bahru, Malaysia, to delight all the vessels, going through Johor Bahru to Singapore with climate smart bunker fuel. So everyone can participate in this wonderful project by simply owning one share of SAMS TQLMA Group high-tech technology companies of $80, which is equivalent to 53 PGCs, and initiate this wonderful journey of climate smart business with traction. All economically vibrant individuals, can own SAM's Tesla Bitcoin Gold Bar for $21,000 and own 21+% return on investment from SAM's TQLMA Climate Smart Gold, Food, and Construction business. All lucky residents living in the holy cities of Makkah Muazzama, Madinatul Munawwara, Baitul Maqdis, Karbala Mualla, Najaful Ashraf, please pray on my behalf to enable us to build SAM's Wheel of Life Palm School Al Saada Towers in the university campuses of the holy cities, also to provide total quality Hajj and Ziyarat services to Hujjaj Kiram and Zaidin Kiram. My name is Dr. Mufaddal Mirza. I acquired my basic education in chemical engineering from the University of Engineering and Technology, got masters in chemical engineering from Wayne State University, PhD in food science from University of Urbana-Champaign, did postdoctoral research in Nova Scotia, Canada, started up in Gamble in Pakistan, and served as associate professor of industrial engineering and management at Institute of Business Management, where my MBA students converted Total Quality Life Maintenance Association into TQLMA. And today, SAMS TQLMA Club is a global company being incorporated in all countries of our world by our management company, EMCI, delight 8 billion residents with climate smart food, education, and home. My WhatsApp number is 923332283257. A session like this can be scheduled to solve your personal, family, and business problems with money back guarantee. Shukran Jazila. Thank you very much.